I hate to do it to it because it's so pretty, but let's see just how good, move that paper, and durable. Look at there. Look at there. Now that's what I read. Now here's the bottom of a peanut can. Now that's what I read earlier somewhere, that it scuffed the blade, but with a little bit of polishing and some spit, let me get some a little bit better. Here's a little bit of gun oil. I got some fine steel wool. Let's put a little more oil on there. We're doing pretty good. Alright, boys and girls, look at there. I bet you if I kept rubbing right in here, I could get the rest of that off of there, and it's not even attacking the finish. That's a testament to that finish. We went from this to this.